machine on, press the power button. Power and temperature are adjusted using either the slider control or the precision control buttons. Sliding your finger along the slider control to the right increases power or temperature. Sliding your finger along the slider control to the left decreases power or temperature. You can also press different places along the slider control to increase or decrease power or temperature in larger increments. The precision control down arrow decreases power or temperature. The precision control up arrow increases power or temperature. To switch between power and temperature mode, press the mode button. The default temperature setting is Fahrenheit. The ability to change this default and access Celsius temperatures will be discussed later in this video. CookTek cooktops can be used in temperature mode. Wok units cannot. Temperature mode is accurate to plus or minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit and is most accurate when the pan is centered on the unit to ensure contact with the temperature sensor and has a flat-bottomed surface. Warped pans may experience a lower degree of accuracy. The set temperature is displayed when there is no pan on the unit and the pan indicator has an X through it. When a pan is placed on the unit, this X goes away and the heating indicator begins to flash. Once the pan has reached the set temperature, the heating indicator will read at temp. CookTek Apogee units feature a locking mechanism which prevents unwanted changes from being made to the machine. To engage the lock, press the lock button 3 times. While locked, only the power button will work. To unlock the machine, press the lock button 3 times. Apogee units feature both a cooking timer and an alarm. These options can both be accessed by pressing the timer button. Once in the timer mode menu, you can use the up and down precision control arrows to highlight your choice and the mode button to select your choice. To set the cooking timer, you can use either the up and down precision control arrows or the precision slider control. When you have selected the desired length of time, use the mode button to confirm your choice. This will return you to the main cooking display screen, where you will see the timer counting down in the upper left-hand corner. Once the timer has expired, the machine will shut itself off and will no longer continue to cook. The timer will count down from confirmation to its completion, whether or not there is a pan on the unit. Setting the alarm works in much the same way. The precision control up and down arrows or precision slider are used to select the desired length of time, and the mode button is used to confirm your choice. You will then be returned to the main cooking display screen, and you will see the timer counting down in the upper left-hand corner. Once the alarm time has expired, the machine will beep to let you know the time has expired, but will not shut itself off. It will continue to cook. The alarm time will count down from confirmation to completion, whether or not there is a pan on the unit. To access the Set Options menu, press and hold the down arrow while the machine is turned off until the machine begins to beep. Once the machine is beeping, quickly press the On/Off button and the Set Options menu will appear. From this menu, you can switch back and forth between Fahrenheit or Celsius temperature scales, show or hide the lock information, adjust the contrast of the display screen, or restore factory defaults. While in this menu, you can use the up and down arrows to navigate through menu choices and the mode button to select the desired option. To access the test menu, press and hold the up arrow while the machine is turned off. When the machine begins to beep, press the power button. This will allow you to enter the test menu. From this menu, you can verify line voltage or view the error log from the machine. Also of note, you can check the watts drawn by the pan on the surface of the machine. This is a simple way to test the induction compatibility of the pans you are using. Different pans with different ferrous content will draw different wattages. When the machine is turned on, it will not do anything until it detects a minimum load, which is approximately the amount of ferrous material contained in a 6 or 7 inch sauté pan. This is a safety mechanism to ensure that small items, such as utensils, will not heat if left on the surface of the unit. We do not recommend leaving an empty pan on the unit with the unit turned on for an extended period of time. This will cause the heat to reflect back into the unit, and when the internal temperature of the unit reaches 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the machine will shut off and will not turn back on until it has cooled down. Each CookTek cooktop should have its own electrical circuit. Do not use extension cords with a CookTek cooktop. Your CookTek cooktop comes with 2 removable washable grease filters, one to use, one as a spare. These filters can be washed with water and a mild detergent or in the dishwasher. Please make sure the filters are dried thoroughly before reinserting into your machine. The surface of your CookTek cooktop can be cleaned with a non-abrasive glass cleaner and damp cloth. Or, for more difficult stains, you may want to use a non-abrasive cream cleanser like Barkeeper's Friend or Bon Ami. In the event of an error, your CookTek cooktop will display an error code and beep the corresponding number of times to indicate which error the machine is experiencing. A complete list of error codes can be found in your owner's manual. If you have additional questions, you can reach customer service by calling area code 312-563-9600 extension 1 or by emailing customerservice@cooktek.com. Thank you and enjoy your cooking.